Hey, this is Kelthara again. Just another Fenner Nature Center update. The videos I was gonna take and upload late via that I took in Fenner Nature Center October 5th and whatever that other day was. Yeah, I'm not gonna be posting them. It's too many videos, and I'm not gonna. I already know. And even if I did get the money, I'm not gonna have an activated phone next month. And it's taking way too long to upload the videos, because there was about 12 or 13 of them that needed to be uploaded, and I ran out of data, the high-speed data that would get them all uploaded on the exact same day. So yeah. And, well, that's really it for this here video. Thanks for watching it. Bye-bye.